If you want to protect your Epic Games account and add an extra layer of security, enabling two-factor authentication is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can turn on two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account quickly and easily. This is especially helpful if you play Fortnite, use the Epic Games Store, or want to keep your account safer from unauthorized access. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. This will open your account options. From the menu, select Account. That will take you directly into your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage your personal details, security settings, and login preferences. Now that you're inside your account page, look for the password and security section. This is where Epic Games keeps all of the important account protection options. Click on Password and Security and then scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication section. If you're having trouble finding it, just take your time and look through the security options carefully, because this is the area where you'll be able to turn on extra verification for your account. Once you reach the two-factor authentication area, Epic Games will usually give you a few different methods to choose from. You can often use email, SMS, or an authenticator app depending on what's available for your account and what you prefer. If you want the simplest method, email may be the easiest, but if you want stronger protection, an authenticator app is usually the best choice. SMS is also convenient if you want codes sent directly to your phone. Choose the method that works best for you. After selecting your preferred method, follow the on-screen setup instructions carefully. Epic Games will guide you through the confirmation process, which may include entering a code sent to your email or phone, or scanning a QR code if you chose an authenticator app. Make sure you complete every step exactly as shown on the screen so the setup is saved properly. If you're using an authenticator app, be sure to keep your backup code somewhere safe in case you ever lose access to your device. When everything is verified, click Confirm and Enable. Once you do that, two-factor authentication should be turned on for your Epic Games account. After that, your account will require an additional security step when signing in, which helps protect your games, purchases, and personal information. This is a simple step, but it makes a big difference in keeping your account secure. And that's it. You've now enabled two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. It only takes a few minutes, but it adds a lot more protection and a peace of mind. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.